In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam VR games not launching. If your VR titles refuse to open or close immediately, it's often tied to permissions or corrupted files. We'll walk through 2 reliable fixes, and I'll explain why they work so you can follow along confidently. First, completely close Steam. Don't just click the X on the window, make sure it's fully shut down. Look for the Steam icon in your taskbar, right-click it, and select Exit. This ensures no background process is holding onto files or blocking a clean relaunch. Now, open the Windows Start menu and search for Steam. When you see it, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. If you get a prompt, confirm it. Running as an administrator temporarily gives Steam elevated permissions, which can solve launch failures caused by access restrictions, file locking, or driver hooks that need higher privileges. Before moving on, make sure your VR headset is properly connected and powered on. Check that the cables are firmly seated, both the display connector and the USB cable, and that the headset shows it's powered. If your headset has an indicator light, confirm it's on, and give the system a moment to recognize the device. A loose connection or a headset that isn't fully powered can prevent a game from initializing the VR runtime, which looks like a launch failure even though it's really a hardware readiness issue. Next, we'll ensure the game's files are intact. In your Steam library, find the VR game that's not launching. Right-click it and select Properties. In the window that opens, go to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process compares your local files to the version stored on Steam servers. If anything's missing, corrupted, or altered, Steam will replace just those pieces. Depending on your drive speed and the game size, this can take a few minutes. It's normal to see a progress bar and occasional pauses while it checks large archives. If Steam reports that some files failed to validate, it will reacquire them automatically. Just let it finish. When the verification completes, return to your library and try launching the game again. With Steam running as administrator, your headset connected and powered, and the game files verified, most launch issues should be resolved. If the game opens this time, you've confirmed it was a permission or file integrity problem. That's it, simple steps with a big impact. If this helped, consider keeping these checks in mind anytime a VR title misbehaves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.